Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do motion tracking in CapCut PC. So in here, I have this video and I want to make motion tracking effect with tags. So if you want to do the same, you can just follow the steps. So first, make sure that you split to where you want the tracking start. For example, I'm going to start here. You can just split the video and split again to where you want the motion tracking stop. I'm going to stop here, for example, split again, and now on this part where I want to do motion tracking, you can just go to tags, and here add tags that you want. I'm going to just go with this tags effect. For example, here you can just click on plus and then change the tags. I'm going to just write yellow car, for example. Okay, you can adjust the size to your liking. I'm going to put in here, and after that, here adjust the length to match with the video, and you can just go to tracking in here at the top and click on this motion tracking. Here I'm going to just disable the scale and also distance, and you can just choose the point or the object to track. I'm going to track here the yellow car, and let's click on start. Now CapCut PC will try tracking the motion on the object that I selected before, which is the yellow card. And now the tracking is completed. So now this is the final result for the motion tracking. You can see the text is following the movement or the motion of the yellow car. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.